Hello, in this video we'll try to solve a linear equation in one variable, and we'll do some few examples. So let us start with example number 1. So here I have the equation 3 minus bracket x minus 3x plus 2 equals 4. So as you can clearly see, this equation is a linear equation, and also this equation contain only one variable x. There is no other variable except x. So first of all, what we'll try to do is we'll try to simplify. So simplify means I'll try to eliminate the parentheses, and then I'll try to eliminate the bracket. So let's first try to. So I have 3 minus and bracket x, okay, and then what I have, I'm going to have that bracket equals 4. So these are original as it is. Now let us see how I can remove this parenthesis. So what I have here is minus 3 multiplied by x. So if I multiply x with minus 3, I got negative 3x. And then again what I have, minus 3 multiplied by plus 2. So if I multiply plus 2 with minus 3, I got negative 6. So this is I eliminated the parenthesis. Okay, so let's write down 3 equals 4. So I now want to eliminate this bracket. So let's see how I can do that. So what I have here is, I have here a minus sign. So minus means actually minus 1. Implicitly here I have a minus 1. Okay, so minus 1 multiplied by x. So it is going to be what? Minus x. Then minus 1 multiplied by minus 3x. So minus 1 multiplied by minus 3x is going to be plus 3x. Then minus 1 multiplied by minus 6 is going to be plus 6. So now I have a simple equation, 3 minus x plus 3x plus 6. So I can try to simplify a little bit. So what I have here is 3 plus 6 is what? 9. And then minus x plus 3x is going to be plus 2x equals 4. Now as I'm going to try to solve for x, so I'm going to keep 2x on this side, and I am going to bring this plus 9 on the other side. So it is going to be minus 9. So what I have is 2x equals negative 5. So I have x equals negative 5 over 2. So this is the solution. So if I want to write it down in a proper manner, so solution set is only a single number, negative 5 over 2. So this is the solution for this particular problem. So now let us see, we are going to try to solve another problem. So let's divide the screen. So here, so let's see problem number 2. So we have a problem 2 minus 3x over 7 plus x minus 1 over 3 equals 3x over 7. So this is basically a rational equation. Okay, here I have numerator, denominator, numerator, denominator, numerator, denominator. Now of course, this type of equation to handle in this manner is not a good way to solve it. So what we are going to try to do, we'll try to eliminate the denominator. Okay, we'll try to eliminate the denominator of all the portion. So now here, as you can see, what are my denominators? So I have three denominator. I have denominator 7, 3, 7. Now our objective is going to be to find is to find the least common denominator. Okay, so so what is our objective? To find least common denominator. So least common denominator is sometimes referenced as LCD, least common denominator. So here the least common denominator will be actually 7 is same, so I have 7 and 3. So for 7 and 3 it will be, there is nothing common, so it will be multiplication, so it will be 21. So once I have this 21, what I am going to do is I am going to multiply all the left hand side and right hand side by 21. So if I multiply this by 21 and also this portion by 21 and also this portion by 21, so I am multiplying all side by 21. So now let us see what is happening here. So if I so let me take another color. So as you can see, 21 over 7, so I am going to be left with 3, and here 21 over 3 I am going to be left with 7, and again 21 over 7 I am going to be left with 3. So if I write it down, so what I have, 3, 2 minus 3x plus 7 x minus 1 equals 3x multiplied by 3. So as you can see, now this equation become very simple equation with no denominator. So now let's multiply those. So 3 multiplied by 2 is 6, 3 multiplied by negative 3x is negative 9x, 7 multiplied by x is 7x, 7 multiplied by negative 1 is negative 7, equals 3x multiplied by 3 is 9x. So we pretty much multiply everything. Now so let's simplify a little bit. So 6 negative 7, I'm going to have what, negative 1, then negative 9x positive 7x, so I'm going to have negative 2x equals 9x. So again, as I am going to solve for x, I am going to bring all the x term on this side, and I'm going to bring all the constant term on the other side. So let's see what I have. So I already have negative 2x, and then if I bring negative positive 9x on this side, it will be negative 9x going to be equal to, so positive negative 1 on the other side is going to be positive 1. So I have negative 11x equal to 1, so x is going to be 1 over negative 11. Okay, so this is the solution for x. So if I write solution set, which is equal to negative 1 over 11. So this is the solution for problem number